paglimpag ng edukasyon na materyales o iba pang nagtaguyod sa kalidad ng edukasyon. Yes, at para po sa category ng education, palakpakan po natin Dr. Annalyn V. Inarda. Dr. Annalyn V. Inarda is an Associate Professor 5 at the University of Rizal System Rodriguez, a Senior Accreditor of the Accrediting Agency of Chartered Colleges and Universities in the Philippines, researcher, book author, and a research-focused YouTube blogger offering free assistance to students and faculty, member of prestigious National Research Council of the Philippines, a regular member of the Philippine Extension and Advisory Services Network since 2021, at natatanging manggagawa ng San Jose sa Edukasyon Awardee last 2022.